This video is only for educational purposes. You shall not misuse the information to gain unauthorized access. However, you may try out these hacks on your own computer at your own risk. Performing hack attempts, without permission, on computers that you do not own is illegal.
Welcome to our channel Whizhawk. Let's start. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy, make sure please subscribe for more information and follow me on Instagram and Twitter for daily updates. Link in bio. Bye and take care. Love you.